There was different level of lockdown, and luckily for us, the company working in Germany has a different approach. Germany has a little bit different approach. And in fact, that allowed the activity on JUICE never stop the integration of the spacecraft. And in particular, Ariane Group in Lampenhausen, they continue to work, and they managed to integrate the propulsion system on the spacecraft, and by Easter, they managed to deliver the spacecraft to Friedrichshafen. And Airbus Defence and Space in Friedrichshafen, they also managed to continue to work.
I'm heading here the team in Friedrichshafen, and in Friedrichshafen we are responsible for the integration of the spacecraft, but also for electrical engineering, and we are taking care of 6 of the 10 instruments. Integration also means the so-called functional verification of the spacecraft. So there's also a big team involved with functional verification of the software of the spacecraft and the equipment and instruments.
My name is Carlos Roldán. I'm team leader for functional tests in EU's spacecraft. And now we will just enter into the checkout room from which we drive the daily activities on the EU's spacecraft. So welcome to the EU's checkout. Here there are several places just in front of the window that is separating the checkout room from the clean room. This is very useful to coordinating the activities between the two sites so that there is no misunderstanding between the activities that are to be done from the checkout and that are to be done inside the clean room.
Our Spanish colleagues from Airbus Madrid are responsible for the structure of the spacecraft. And today they have integrated the optical bench, one of the key structures taking the optical and further instruments which are alignment critical.
So here we have 2 computers that are directly connected to the spacecraft to run functional tests. My colleagues, we have in the functional team a very international cooperation, so Italian, German and Spanish people. In the functional test, what we do is to switch on the spacecraft and test that a unit is functionally doing what it's supposed to be doing.
What makes me tick is this and what is over there, which is the spacecraft. Because in our job we are really working with the spacecraft in some missions which are really challenging, interesting, and then will give us a lot of good scientific information.